सारा सामान कहाँ पे रखा है? सारा मैंने कैमरा सेट किया, तुम लोग उधर चले गए।
Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today we'll be going to Goderich beach and Ishan is going to drive us there. He has just passed his G2 road test, so good luck to us.
आज सच में ईशान चल रहा है? हाँ भाई।
One of the best things were the scenic views that we saw en route the beach. So sit back and enjoy these views. Goderich is a small town in Huron County, Ontario. It's approximately 1 hour 30 minutes away from London City, Ontario. Well, it is also known as the prettiest town in Canada. Even I didn't know this. So I definitely want to visit again just to explore the town.
Hello, so we have reached the beach. Took around 1 hour 20 minutes from London. तो यहाँ आते वक्त जो सीनरी देखी हम लोग को यार, the landscapes were so beautiful. इतना मज़ा आया बाहर देख के मैं, like I can't even describe how beautiful it was. आंटी ईशान की ड्राइविंग कैसे लगी? परफेक्ट.
So you must be thinking, wow, what a beautiful ocean it is. But let me correct you. It's a lake. It was so windy that day that we weren't able to play properly. But we played anyway. So according to my channel analytics, 74% of you guys have not subscribed yet. Why? ऐसा मत करो यार. So please do subscribe and provide me with the extra motivation to create more videos and to create more relatable videos as we go forward. I'm counting on you guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.